Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about margin. In Odoo, sales margin refers to the difference between the total amount spent on a product and the price at which you sell that product. And it's a crucial metric that helps you to understand the profitability and make informed pricing decisions. So in order to calculate the margin, we have to consider an equation, that is margin is equal to sales price minus cost price. So let's see how can we manage the margins in Odoo 18 sales module. For that, you can just dive into the sales module, and from the configuration settings, we just need to enable the margin. This would allow you to find the profit that you're going to generate in an order. So as you just drag down here, you can see we have enabled the margins under the pricing section. So afterwards, you can just move on to the products. So as you just move on to the product here, you would be able to find different prices such as the sales price and the cost. So we know in order to find the margin, we have to go with the calculation sales price minus cost. So here you can see that would give you the profitability that gonna make from this order. So let's move on to the orders and let's create a new order. So you can just click on new button in order to create an order from the scratch, where you can set the details of the customer. My customer is Deco Addict, which is my all-time favorite customer, where you can see that under order lines, we can just set the product. So as you just choose a product, black embroidered shirt here, you can see you can set the price, see the price of this product, as well as you can also choose a variant. So I would like to choose a variant, small, as I'm a small person, and yeah, let's confirm that. And here you can see that 25 is the selling price and 22.5 is the cost of the product. So here you can see we are just going to make a profit over here with a 2.50 as the margin, which is of 10%, and that's how we just manage with the margin in Odoo of sales. And now you can just save this quotation, and if you want to just confirm this order, you can just go with confirm button so that it makes the sales order. Afterwards, we just need to deliver the item to the customer. So you can just move on to the delivery tab, and here you can find that the demanded quantity is just one, and we are just going to deliver one quantity of black embroidered t-shirt. In order to deliver this item, you can just click on validate. So here you can see we can confirm this order. So upon confirmation, an SMS will be sending to the customer, and finally we have just done the delivery of the item to our customer. So that's all about dealing with margin in Odoo 18 sales module, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.